So this is the first look of the ESU Kato Japan board. This is a V5 board that was made as a drop-in replacement for the Kato Japan EM13 style board. The original EM13 decoder is a Kato board that's manufactured by Digitrax. It's used mostly in Japanese bullet trains and some European models, some TGVs and what have you. There's only one North American model that uses this style of board, and that is the GS4. Now, I'm not too concerned about the fit in the other models. I'm concerned about the North American one because that's what it is. So this is a pre-production sample that was sent to me. And it fits right in the tender of a Kato GS4. There would be a factory stock board in here that you pop these clips out, slide that out, slide this one in. In this case, this is just an ESU 11x17 sugar cube. That goes in there. Now, I have this already programmed with ESU's V5 sound file for the FEF3. I take that back for the GS4. Sorry, I'm getting my North American steam mixed up here. And it actually runs pretty darn good. But what I'm going to do is this decoder, unlike the original EM13 decoders, which is a motor function only decoder, we are going to tap in somehow. We're going to tap in the forward headlight board, and then we're going to add a rear light to it. Now there's also another aux one here, so you could add the other light if you wanted to put that on a separate circuit. For all intents and purposes, I'm just going to power the forward board here, and then you'll have the Mars light there. But that's where we're going to start with here. Anywho, first look, Kato Japan EM13 style board from ESU in the V5 format. All right, here is the GS4 with the new V5 Kato Japan board in it. It takes place of the EM13 board. Has V5 file SO737, which is for a GS4 that was released, I don't know, last year sometime. I modified this by adding wires, so forward headlight controls the front board, and then adding a resistor and a SM LED, so it's got a rear light to it. So we're just going to hit sound and hope for the best here. And so we got the sound powering up. There's some light going here too. And I don't know. There's a bunch of different settings for horns and bells and stuff on here, but we're just going to concern ourselves with some extremely basic ones here. So, and So anyways, there you go. GS4 with a V5 Kato Japan board, sound file S0737. Anywho, hope you all are having a great day.